everybody. It's John, Bitcoin Trend and Forecast here on day 3 at Bitcoin 2025. And with me, I've got Mason Brobeck, the Global Strategic Partner for Bitcoin Conference 2025, or Bitcoin Conference in general. Mason, day 3, what's the vibe like today?
The vibe is high here. We're really grateful. So many people turned out from all across the US, flew in from all across the world. We are on track for about 30,000 to 35,000 people to come. Industry leaders from all over. I'm really grateful for the turnout.
Absolutely. I'm speaking about industry leaders. Michael Saylor, everybody knows, has been chatting and will be again today. Yesterday, Vice President JD Vance was here. There was a huge turnout, a lot of hype. In terms of some of the takeaways from some of the keynote speakers, some of the things people have been talking about, anything that really stands out to mind, Mason?
Yeah, there's a few things. We had a couple big announcements of corporate treasury adoption. So companies like GameStop finally announced all the Bitcoin that they're buying. And you know, having the support of the government with JD Vance coming, putting his, what we always say is, whenever Trump was running for president, he's pondering for votes, right? Maybe people would say that, but now with JD Vance coming here, they don't have any. He doesn't need to ponder for votes right now. It's their first. There's a few, 3-4 months in, and they're coming out. So we're really grateful to see them sticking to their word and continuing to support the community.
And in terms of any other highlights from this Bitcoin 2025 here in Las Vegas so far?
I would say that one of the main highlights would be, at the end of the day today, we're going to have Ross Ulbricht, and he is speaking at the end of the day, and that's one of his first public appearances. So we're all pretty excited about seeing him come out and address the community, because last year we all wore the free Ross shirts.
Yes.
And that was one of the main things we really demanded, which is pretty cool to see have happen.
Now, in terms of some of the other exhibitors here, I mean, you've got us who provide signals and training and education. We've got the whole mining village. We've got people here about custodial wallets and that kind of thing. What are the other kind of sectors that are represented here at Bitcoin 2025, and what do you think it means for the exhibitors that are here?
Yeah, I think that we have from across the gambit, like you said, miners. Miners have really been blowing up here in the U.S. It's been where a lot of people are pushing right now. But we also have people, it's been exciting, we have a lot of companies from Russia, UAE, and from just around the globe that are starting to, wherever you can get the cheapest power is where you're going to mine. And like you said, other places like exchanges, and then there's a lot of pretty cool companies that fit like what you guys do, where there's traders that are coming to a conference like this wanting to learn more about how do you not just buy it and hold it, but how can you do something more with it and increase your gains, which is what people are starting to really look into now.
Yeah, there's a need for education, and we've seen that here as well at Bitcoin 2025, where a lot of people are hodling, but they're also wanting to know how to trade for themselves. They might receive signals, which is great, day trade, medium-term trade, long-term trade, obviously Bitcoin Trend and Forecast, but a lot of people wanting to know how to trade so they feel empowered. And we know that there is still a fair bit of skepticism and fear out there in the industry, in the world, around Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in general, but Bitcoin, and we know that the solution is education. So what do you think in terms of the very next Bitcoin conference? When is it, where is it, and what can people have to look forward to in terms of you guys bringing Bitcoin and all the philosophy and all the application to the world? What can people look forward to?
I think one of our main missions is to empower, bring the knowledge to everyone, and we keep increasing in size every year. So last year we had 23,000 people. This year we're on that 30 to 35. Last night alone, about 1,000 new tickets were redeemed. So it's pretty crazy. So I think next year we want to get bigger. We're coming back to Las Vegas again, which is awesome. And what can you expect? I think that corporate and banking finance are all getting on board. So people are going to be a lot more comfortable with it. So the traders that are used to trading on stocks or stacking with their 401k and stocks and bonds are going to start putting a lot more money into Bitcoin.
Well, when would you say is the best time to buy Bitcoin?
Today.
Absolutely. Well, listen, Mason Brobeck, thank you very much. And again, to the organizers of Bitcoin 2025, a huge thank you. It's great for us, our little company, bitcoinsapp.com, to be able to be here and yeah, get involved as well. So we look forward to joining you next year again.
Awesome. Appreciate your guys' sponsorship. Thanks so much, John.
Thanks.
All right.